And yes, you're spending maybe a little bit more on the asset, but the return on investment is far more.
So I'm back here in Coalville at Matsuura's HQ here in the UK, and with Domenic Seminerio. Domenic, great to see you again. And what I've got to start with is this machine behind us here, available from stock, and that's the purpose of this video, to talk about some of the kit that you've got here. Okay. It's incredible.
It's a small machine.
Yeah.
So it's literally just arrived this week. We ordered it some time ago. Obviously, lead times are quite long, as we know in machine tool delivery, but we have a good flow of stock, so we always order in stock, and obviously as we sell machines we're constantly ordering, so we've always got an array of at least 15 to 25 machines depending on what's going on of stock. The 100H is our largest 5-axis.
It's huge.
Yeah, it's huge. So it's a 1 metre by 800 capacity machine as a cylinder. It's got 240 tools on a 50 taper. And as against all our other 5-axis machines, this is actually a horizontal 5-axis. And the trunnion itself stands 6 foot off the deck, which is why we've got the platform.
Which is a bit taller than you.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah, not much.
We're going to see other machines that are available from stock. I had to start with this one because it really is unusual for anybody or any supplier I know to bring a machine of this size into stock. I mean, what's the demand for something of this capacity, Dom?
So we've done very well in motorsport with this machine, especially in either gearbox or engine manufacturing. So in Engine Valley, as you well know, which is my stomping ground, we've put quite a few of these in. But what we decided was to bring this machine into stock, have it available for a quick delivery, and anybody, because obviously what we've seen is a big increase in our 850 4-pallet machine in the MX range. So we know that there's a bigger appetite now to buy bigger 5-axis machines. Hence, you know, we've got one, it's available, and you could have it delivered obviously within weeks.
It doesn't just have to be those big parts. You could be creative with your work holding and get lots of smaller parts and attack them too. Let's move this way because H Plus, Dom, the 405, again another machine, a popular machine from Matsuura, available here from stock. Again,
very popular. The H Plus series, the H Plus 300, as you well know, 15 pallet, we've been selling for many, many years. We've seen an increase in demand for larger workpieces, so we've been stocking the H Plus 405 as a 6-pallet and 12-pallet, and we've been selling them. So again, we've got a constant flow of multi-pallet horizontals from 300 square to 500 square.
Okay, let's go this way. Horizontal, you're selling a lot more. I know you always
have. Yeah, we had that chat. We are selling more, and I think it's all to do with the increase in volume. That little chat we had, it was a great chat, that one. Yeah.
All to do with that, the increase in volume. MX330, this has to be, I mean, we always talk about that, how this machine has been
one of our
right
best
place,
sellers.
right time.
One of our best sellers. Always got these machines either in stock or very soon coming into stock. We're selling this obviously on a regular basis. So again, MX330, 10 pallets, full 5-axis, 90 tools. You know, I think we've done many a video. But again, you know, this is the smallest, the 180 is the largest in 5-axis. And again, stock. MX420s, stock. MX850s, stock.
I know you find all machines easy to sell, but is this the easiest?
This one is the new customer finder.
Is it?
We get the new customers with this machine.
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
And then the 520, the MX520, and again, we have to reiterate the fact that these machines have just hit the deck here.
Just come in, yeah, just come in.
Hence still got the kind of packaging or the
yeah.
wrapping on them. This is the 520 with the PC4. So now you've gone from your 5-axis machine with the option to go for the unmanned run on the 520.
Correct. So what we've decided to do is obviously give added value to customers. So everything that we are stocking, be it a horizontal or 5-axis, has got a multi-pallet changer. Bar the 100H, which is only coming with 2 pallets, but everything's got 4, 10, 15, 32 pallets.
Okay, before we finish this then, Dom, that element of automation, if you step this way, how important is that becoming? You know, we know that people are struggling to find machinists, operators, all of those things, and they really need to make sure that the machines are running unmanned and lights out these days, don't they? And hence your successes.
Hence our successes, and I think the market's grown into our product. So, you know, we do supply single table machines, but we just don't see that there's an added value or a big return on investment for the customer. You know, when you can put a pallet changer and a large tool magazine on a machine, and you set it up in the day, the customer can then run it all night, in some instances, all weekend. You know, and that's where they get the return. Yes, you're spending maybe a little bit more on the asset, but the return on investment is far more.
And do you think in a competitive market, in a tight market, people that are thinking at the moment, I don't actually need a machine, may well do, and that's the purpose of what we're talking about here, because you may be able to improve what they've got without them knowing.
Exactly that. You know, we can improve efficiency and output with existing contracts to make that footprint more profitable.